Your team is already saving countless hours each week using YakShaver to report their bugs or new feature requests. But where is that time really going? Hey guys, it's Josh from the YakShaver team. Today, I wanted to jump into how you can see the wins your team is having using the YakShaver Portal. Beautiful. So I've landed at the YakShaver Portal for our SSW organization. Now the first thing you'll see is the time saved this month in the top left-hand corner. 107 hours and 30 minutes. Why is this figure so important and how did we actually go ahead and calculate this? Well, if I take you over to the YakShaver blog, you'll see Stephen Q from YakShaver did an analysis on how much time does YakShaver actually save. So we scroll down and we have a look that to create a high quality work item, bug report, or PBI that meets the definition of ready, it takes on average 30 minutes per one. Now that might not be important for 30 minutes per day, but when you times that by 10 developers in a company, 2 or 3 bug reports each day, the savings start to actually add up. Back in the portal now, I want to see which users within my organization are actually driving these wins within using YakShaver. So I'm going to go ahead to the left-hand side and go to Leaderboard. And using this, we can get an accurate breakdown of who in our organization is actually saving us time and saving their own time to be able to go and implement bug fixes or new feature requests. So as we can see here, Michael Q is our top shaver at the moment. I'm going to go down and click on his name and we'll be able to see a breakdown. So if I go to Shaved Projects, I can see all the projects that Michael's actually going ahead and shaving into. Now, these might be projects he's working on. They might be projects for applications he's using within the company. We can go ahead and click into any of them to see the shaves he's made. So if I want to go into the SW agent skills, and then I can go over to shaves in the top section. I can actually go ahead and see all these shaves that have been created by Michael Q. Now, what's cool about the leaderboard section is it's not only for users. If we go ahead at the top section and click on the projects tab, I can actually see which projects are getting the most attention, whether this is users in our company using them, this is bugs coming up, or this is new features being requested. We can see where the momentum is within these applications. So I can see here that the Rules V3 project has the most amount of shaves, followed by TimePro and Tina CMS. Now, if I click into Tina CMS, you'll be able to see the same thing as we saw for the SSW agent skills. I'm going to go ahead to the top section and click on shaves, and I can see all the shaves that have been created for the Tina CMS project in the Tina CMS repository. In the age of AI, it's seeing who is actually maximizing their time, who is enabling themselves to get as much work done as easily as possible, hence using YakShaver instead of going ahead and spending 30 to 40 minutes a day writing bug reports or feature requests. The purpose of the YakShaver portal is so that you can accurately tie together all of the insights in how your team is maximizing their efficiency in the day and age of AI. Today, we went and looked at the portal and the leaderboard view, but if you got to add one thing to this, what would you add to the YakShaver portal? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.
Try YakShaver for your backlog. Go to yakshaver.ai.